As you see guys, that Bitcoin daily candle here, it finished. Today Bitcoin give us here a pin bar. It fell down till that zone here. Also thinking that one here is going to be like a double top, then from here going to down. But till now the bulls, they still fighting. Today it happens something in 4 hours guys. It's telling us the Bitcoin going to go more higher. So the short answer, as every time here, Bitcoin here in daily it's still in an uptrend. In 4 hours it's still in an uptrend. And now if we break in that zone here, the one here exactly at 117k, we're going back to that last high here guys, 125k. That's the short answer guys. If you want to understand why, make sure to watch that video till the end. By the way guys, before I continue, we want that video to reach to 100 likes if it's possible, and you find our content valuable, make sure to smash that like button which is down and write with it a comment if it's possible. You done it? Thank you very much. And if you want our daily swing trading and long-term investment signals, you can join our VIP Discord via Patreon of course. The link of our Patreon is down in the description of that video and in the first comment. Click at it, you're going to land here in Patreon. Click at that button here, see member option. You're going to find 3 tiers there. Let me show it to you. We got here position, that one is it for long term guys. Actually we give people to buy some Ethereum, so even you can join us in that one. By the way, that one is it for long term, no leverage, no nothing, just spot. You can use some leverage like x2 x3, that's the maximum guys. So if you are interested about that, welcome. We got here the VIP, that one here you're going to get all our cryptocurrency services. We got scalping, day trading, swing trading, and even long term you can join that one. And we got the last one, that one here you're going to get everything guys. It's the elite member, so you choose what you want. When you decide to join us, click at join, finish payment process. Inside Patreon there is a video going to show you all the steps till you're going to be in our VIP Discord. But of course if you are interested. As you see guys, the Bitcoin here in daily give us here that red candle here. Yes, is it like an inverted hammer here? But if we came here and we added those moving averages here, let me show it to you. If we added here the 50 guys, you see here the 50, the Bitcoin couldn't break the 50 here, and the 20 moving average he tried to cross above the 100 moving average. That way me I told you guys, maybe the Bitcoin from here going to go above maybe to that zone here, but in smaller time frames also we are stuck in a zone. Plus here that very stronger zone here where we are, you see it guys, that 117 or 116,500 is a very stronger zone. So let's see if that Bitcoin from here going to pump again. That possible guys, and it might to do for us that flag us we've been talking about, that one here, that bullish flag. You remember it guys or no? We say this here, we said that one here, it's a bullish flag like that. And if the Bitcoin breaking here, we're going to pump guys. My target here, if it's breaking here, because now there is one of two guys, either to break or from here, we're going to see that Bitcoin dumping again to touch the lower of that channel. So even that one is possible guys. So as you see it here, look with me here. It might Bitcoin from here to fall down again to test the lower of that channel. Even that one is possible. To explain to you more, we go to lower time frames to explain to you what we got here in that zone guys. I think I explained everything. Now it's going to show you my earnings or the trades of me for today. So let's go in there. Here we are guys, that the trades of me for today. Today actually has been a very good day today. We enter in the SIWI along, we enter in the CAS along. As you see, I showed you actually that CAS yesterday. We show it to you here. Let me show it to you. As you see it guys, that the CAS, we enter in it long yesterday, as you see it here, and at the other side, it's being here the same. Now if we come here and we show you here the CAS guys, as you see it here, and us that for swing trading, us is going to become more higher than that. That way also we enter in it. We got here a short in the TRX and a short in the Doge. Oh, let's see how it's going to go guys. Plus we got a long in the Bitcoin and even a scalping in the Bitcoin. That way also we're telling you now we got a lot of services guys. We got here, as you see it, the swing, the day trading, here the scalping, plus here the position, and down here the stock market. So you, if you decide to join us, of course, as we told you, the link of our Patreon is down in the description of that video. And believe me, my friend, you're going to learn from professional people. That's the job of them. No bias, no fibs, no lies. Everything is in front of you guys. Every day we're showing you the trades us we got open, and even you can join us if you are interested. Now is going to see liquidity heatmap. Here we are, guys. Liquidity heatmap. It used to be some stop losses here. All of them, they are liquidated. We got some down here. Now maybe the Bitcoin from here going to fall down to liquidate. Those was down here. Not possible, guys. But for us to see the clear direction today, we go from 24 hours to weekly. Let me show it to you. Here in the weekly, guys, now we got a different picture. As you see, we got a lot of stop losses here and down here. That, man, the market makers, they are going to keep that Bitcoin sideways here. And even those ones, they used to be down here. All of them, they're closing their orders. So I think now we are in a sideways range, guys. As you see it here, the top of it 117 and the low of it here 115. So let's see how long we're going to stay like that till we break in one of the two sides, because that's how it look like, guys. Because we're ready for everything. So I think I explained everything here. Now we're going to see USDT dominance, what they're doing today. Here we are, guys. The USDT dominance, as you see it here. Look at it here, what they're doing. Also, we told you it's breaking here. That downtrend here is getting broke. Now we came back to test it again. Let's see now if that USDT dominance is going to give us here like a double bottom like that, guys. Not possible, or maybe going to do like how us we show you here. We told you touch the first time, then it's going back to touch the second. Even that one, it's possible, guys, maybe to give us something like that. Even that one, it's possible. Now what we can do here, now we got here a very clear down channel, guys. You see the down channel here. Now we touch the top of it here. If we fall down to touch the low of it here, that means we are going to go back to the target here between 4.13 till 3.99. That's possible. Second scenario from here to come back to break here and to pump. Even that one, it's possible. And also updating you every day, guys. We see what's going to happen here to that USDT dominance. Now let's see our indicator, what it's saying today. Our indicator, guys, as you see, the touch here, extreme oversold area. Try to push. That's what I told you. Maybe going to do the same like how it's happened here. As man, there is a second time to touch here, then after that to pump. Even that one is possible. And also we are ready for everything, guys. Now let's going to see the SP500 we're doing today, because even that one is very important, guys. So let me show it to you. Here we are, guys. That's the SP500 here. The SP500 here, as you see it, still have here now like a very clear uptrend. You see me how I draw it, guys, from those ones and those ones. Yesterday I show you that one here. Even that one, it's still valid, guys. But now you got two uptrend, or you can name it like a zone here, and you still follow it. Every time it's being touched, you try to buy some. The SP500 is at an all-time high, guys. So for you to buy now, it's too dangerous. That's the only things I can tell you. And that what it meant for Bitcoin, it meant even Bitcoin going to give us a new all-time high. Also, we are waiting, guys. Now it's going to see the VEX we're doing today. Here we are, guys. The VEX, as you see it, 15.72. That means there is nothing to be worried about. We haven't touched 20 and we haven't touched 12. So everything's still looking normal, guys. There is nothing to be worried about. We're selling till that VEX here touch 12. If it's not, us we stay riding till the end of the trend, guys. So I think I explained everything here. Now let's going to see the Bitcoin we're doing today in 4 hours, guys. So let's go in there. Here we are in Bitcoin in 4 hours, guys. As you see here, Bitcoin here, the 100 moving average, he crossed above the 200 moving average. That way, I told you guys, I will not get surprised if I saw the Bitcoin going back to that 123 or 124K, of course. So let's see what's going to happen in the coming days. What we got else here. We came here and we had even those moving averages like that, guys. You see it here. You see that 50 moving average here. Now it's reacting like an uptrend here, and the 20 moving average is still pumping here. So we're still in an uptrend here in 4 hours. Let's see how long, guys, because look at it. When it's crossing below here, we're becoming a downtrend till here, and the same thing now as we're staying here in an uptrend. There is nothing changed. Even here, if we came back to technical analysis, you remember, guys, what we told you here about that up channel here. I think I showed it to you thousands of times here in that channel, guys. That way also repeating those things for you to learn. We told it's going to come back to the top of the channel like that, yes or no? That's my view, guys. That's why I told you Bitcoin going to go back to 120K. Then we're going to see if it's going to dump from there or going to give us a new all-time high. Yes, now everything is at extreme overbought area. But let's see. For sure, it's need that uptrend here to be broke, guys, for us to catch that short. It meant Bitcoin to do like that and to fall down to break here for us to catch that short. Now let's see our indicator what it's saying today. If you're looking here, guys, in our indicator, let me show you those things here, because something very important happening here, guys. I need to focus on with me here. You see here, if you're looking here, we got here a bearish divergence, guys, in 4 hours. You see it or no? Not very, very clear. Let me take it off all those lines for you to understand, guys. Look with me here, that a bearish divergence here in 4 hours, guys. You see it here? Look at it here. And look at it here, that a bearish divergence. Should we enter a short? Same thing, guys. That uptrend here, that one here, waited to be broke for you to catch that short. So I think I explained everything to you guys here. But the good news till now, what is it? Also, we staying here only in a zone where it's only bulls they're controlling, guys. That's the only things I can tell you here. Now it's going to see the Ethereum we're doing today in 4 hours. Here we are in the Ethereum in the 4 hours, guys. The Ethereum, as we told, when it touch here, we buy. Look where we are now. We sell what it equal our investment. Now we'll let it ride. If it's going to go more higher, fair enough. If it's going to dump, fair enough, guys. That's what us we doing here. Now, what is it the view? What we got here in the Ethereum, guys? Let me show you what we got. If you've seen with me here, the Ethereum here got that triangle, guys. You see the triangle here? We haven't touched the lower of it, but the top of the triangle is it here, exactly here. That's meant the Ethereum going to come back to test the top here exactly, guys, at 4800 or 4800. Then from there, we're going to see if it's going to break it to pump more higher than possible, guys, or it's going to dump. How you can catch in the dump? Very simple, my friend. Look with me here, because now you can make even here like a symmetric triangle, guys. That here you can make it like that, and that one you can make it like that. You see it? Like that, guys, is a symmetric triangle. That means if the Ethereum breaking above more long, if it's breaking down here, you need to catch a short, my friend. Now let's see our indicator it's saying today here in the Ethereum. Our indicator, guys, as you see, it touch here extreme overbought area. That's why also we enter a short, we kicked out, but we taking enough profit from it, and we move stop loss to entry point. Market kick us that fair enough, is better to lose. Now we touch here that wall we got here. Now the Ethereum he tried to push higher. Let's see if that Ethereum going to come back and to break that zone here or no, guys. I think I explained everything. Now it's going to see the Sol or Solana we're doing today. Here we are, guys. In the Sol, same thing. We got here that last high here. Now we came back to it. Let's see now, guys, if that Sol from here going to break that last high. That's meant to break for us that zone here of 250. That possible, guys. Second scenario, that Sol to give us here like that, like a big double top here, and to fall down and to break the neckline here. That's going to be very bad, guys, for the Sol, and it might to dump from there. That number one scenario. Second scenario, you can come and do something like that, like a uptrend, and you came here. We got here, guys, a up channel, and it might that Sol from here going to pump again to test the top of that up channel, which is exactly at 265. Even that one is possible, so we are ready for everything. And that's why also we're telling you guys, you can join our VIP Discord. That, of course, if you are interested and you want to learn how to trade from professional people, you want to see live how they dealing with their trades. And of course, if you are interested, now let's see our indicator we're saying today. Our indicator, guys, we still have here the divergence downtrend here. Now we are in it, guys. You see it here? Now we are in that divergence downtrend. Let's see if it's going to break it and to give us a new high that possible. Second scenario, what is it, guys? From here, going to dump again. Even that one is possible. So also we are ready for everything. And let's see where is that market going to go, because the divergence, also we don't enter short or long based on divergence. Also we enter based on price action. And at this time, the only price action we got is that uptrend or maybe double top. I think I explained everything here about the Sol. Now we're going to see the XRP or Ripple we're doing today. Here we are in the XRP, guys, or Ripple. That one here, same thing. He falls down here. He tests here that 100 moving average. Look where we are now. Should we ride it more, guys? Me personally, I'm still waiting the downtrend here. You see it, guys, the downtrend here. I'm waiting it. Maybe going to break it and we're going to pump that possible. Second scenario, from here maybe going to fall down. Also, what we told you about the XRP, guys, there is one video thumbnail. It was actually that XRP here. What else we told you about the XRP? We do it like that, guys. That the XRP chart also we show you before, if you remember or no. And it was like that, guys. We told you it's going to touch the lower here and to pump like that. That what happened exactly at this time, guys. But let's see if it's going to pump to touch the top of that channel. That man, the XRP going to go to 3.25. That possible. Second scenario, from here going to fall down and to break that low here, and we're going to see that XRP dumping. Even that one is possible. Now let's see our indicator it's in today here in the XRP. Our indicator, guys, as you see it touch here extreme overbought area, but I couldn't enter to the zone where is the bears, the contract. That meant the bulls, they still powerful, guys. Look at that wall here. That's why me I told you maybe going to go back to test the top of that channel, and also we're ready for everything. Now it's going to see Bitcoin doing today in 30 minutes for scalping and day trading. So let's go in there. Here we are in 30 minutes, guys. By the way, guys, before we continue, we want that video to reach to 100. And know you, yes, you watching me now. And know you started that video from the start till here, but you haven't smashed that like button. Why, my friend? Go now, smash that like button which is down. Support us, guys. You done it? Thank you very much. Here in Bitcoin, guys, it's being plain at us. Let me be honest with you. Also, we tell you that, we show it to you before. We show you here that megaphone. We show you all those things here. And we told you that Bitcoin here, it's plain, guys. Look what it got here in the top. It got here that zone. And down here, it got that zone here. That's what Bitcoin got now, guys. The only thing now, look at the top here. How many times it's being touched, guys? That's the first. That's the second. That's the third. And that's the fourth time. Yes or no? Down how many times? First, second, third, fourth, and the fifth one. Should we enter a short now? Maybe from here we do it like that, guys, like how it happened before here. And from here we're going to short it like that. If it came, why not? What we got else, guys? Also we talking here and Bitcoin here, it's showing to us, it gives us here a small, a double top here. And that one here, if the Bitcoin fall down and breaking the neckline here, we're going to short it to that low here, guys, because that's what us we been doing. Yesterday, us we enter a short from here, exactly. Today, we enter a long from here, exactly, guys. That's what us we been doing. Scalping, we enter it from that low here, exactly, guys. And that's why also we're telling you can join us if you want to benefit from all those things. We're giving scalping, we're giving day trading, we're giving swing trading, we're giving position. Where are you going to find some such service like that, guys? That is up to you. Now let's see our indicator we're saying today here in Bitcoin. Our indicator, look at it, guys. It entered here to a zone where the bulls, the control. Let's see if it's going to pump more or no. So I think I explained everything to you guys here. So that's it for that video. If you want more in-depth analysis, you can join our VIP Discord, of course, if you are interested. See you in another video, guys. Bye for now.